it's Sandy. Today's video is going to be a swatch video on the new Melt Blueprint stack. The stack retails for $48 and they changed it up a little. Normally it would be a single pan, but now they did split pans. So instead of 4 shades, you're getting 8. So let's get into the swatches.
Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile. It's deeper than the ocean, baby, stronger than your fears. Climb above my body, baby, you're invited here. I know you heard it feels like honey. Come and see for yourself. Don't say I didn't warn you, baby. You won't find this nowhere else. Fire in your blood. Put fire in your blood. Run through your veins. Can feel you burning up. Sweat dripping off your face. 'Cause I put fire in your blood.
So that's it for this swatch video. I've only found one other person that does swatches on the eyes, and her name is Angelica Gomez. I will be sure to link her videos or her channel down in the description box below if you want to check her out. She's got tons, I mean literally tons of swatch videos on her channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. And I also have a tutorial on this makeup look coming soon as well. So stick around, check that out, and I will see you later. Bye.